we are. We're talking about the importance of female creatives in A Star is Born. For me, that's really what it's all about. I like to begin my lectures about the fact that I would like to acknowledge that this event is happening on the traditional lands of the Tongva people. That's what Los Angeles is. And we should recognize that there were people here before us, and we need to respect their history, and they're the people who still exist on this land. So I like to start with that. I learned that when I went to a conference in New Zealand, and they start all their lectures that way, and I thought that was quite beautiful. As you just said, so I don't need this. These are the shows that I've worked on. These are the books that I have written. The lecture we're speaking on today is going to come up next year in a book. I also am on the editorial board for Written by Magazine, which I happen to have a copy of right next to me. It's free online. So the Magazine of the Writers Guild, I recommend people read it. It always has interviews with movie writers or television writers, and it's really good. I also do book reviews for the Journal of Screenwriting. It's a great place for new academics to get published. If there are books you feel like reviewing or you'd like a free copy of, you can write a review for me. So Vicki will get you in touch with me if that's interesting to you.